Today, we're undertaking an extended analysis of a traffic stop that took a dramatic turn on August 24, 2024. What began as a routine stop for excessive speed quickly escalated into a tense confrontation, culminating in an arrest. This case provides a valuable opportunity to dissect the dynamics of police-citizen interactions. We'll delve into the legal framework surrounding traffic stops and the use of force, considering the context of current societal discussions on police accountability. Furthermore, we'll scrutinize the body cam footage frame by frame, looking for subtle cues and potential points of miscommunication. The initial stop and speeding violation, establishing the context. The incident commenced with a vehicle clocked at an alarming 96 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour zone. This immediately sets the stage for a high-risk situation. Speeding at this level is not merely an inconvenience. It is considered reckless driving in many jurisdictions, posing a severe threat to both the driver and other road users. The driver's stated intention of reaching a personal training class provides context, but does not mitigate the seriousness of the offense. Personal commitments do not justify putting lives at risk. At this point, the officer's initial approach is crucial. Establishing control and clarifying the violation are paramount. The sheer magnitude of the speed difference, 46 miles per hour over the limit, underscores the potential danger involved. It's not just a minor infraction, it's an action that could lead to devastating accidents, serious injuries, or even fatalities. Law enforcement officers are trained to assess such scenarios with heightened caution, knowing that individuals who engage in extreme speeding may also be prone to erratic decision-making under stress. Additionally, excessive speeding can significantly reduce reaction time. Studies have shown that at higher speeds, stopping distances increase exponentially, making sudden braking or evasive actions far less effective. This is why jurisdictions impose severe penalties for reckless speeding. In fact, some states classify driving more than 40 miles per hour over the limit as a misdemeanor, which can result in not only fines, but also potential jail time. Furthermore, extreme speeding cases have been linked to an increased likelihood of driver impairment, road rage incidents, and collisions. This case highlights the importance of speed enforcement and the role of law enforcement in maintaining public safety. The request for license, registration, and proof of insurance is a standard procedure, but it quickly reveals underlying issues. The driver's admission of not having her physical license, citing a mail delay, raises immediate red flags.
I don't have my physical driver's license. It's in the mail on the way to me. I have a passport.
Okay, you can't drive a car then until you have your license on you.
At this point, the officer needs to determine the legitimacy of the claim. While there are some digital verification methods, a missing physical license can complicate the situation. The officer's clarification that a passport is not a substitute for a driver's license is essential, as this is a common misunderstanding. A passport is proof of identity, but it does not authorize an individual to operate a vehicle. The driver's shift in demeanor, attempting to downplay the situation, is a common tactic seen in such encounters. However, the officer's firm response, emphasizing the dangers of excessive speed, is a necessary countermeasure. This interaction highlights the importance of clear communication and adherence to legal requirements. Many states have implemented digital driver's licenses, allowing officers to verify credentials electronically. However, not all jurisdictions accept these in place of physical documents, making it crucial for drivers to remain aware of state-specific regulations. In some areas, failure to provide a valid license can result in immediate fines or even vehicle impoundment. Escalation and orders. The dynamics of authority. The officer's request for the driver to exit the vehicle and move to the rear for paperwork processing is a pivotal moment. It's standard procedure, yet it often creates tension between law enforcement and drivers. Many drivers perceive this request as a prelude to further legal action, which can lead to resistance or defiance. The driver's repeated questioning of this request increases the tension. It's important to note that officers request individuals to exit vehicles for various reasons, including safety concerns, control of the situation, and logistical convenience during documentation. The driver's reluctance suggests either a lack of understanding of law enforcement protocol or an active attempt to resist compliance. When the officer calls for backup and excludes the driver's companion from the interaction, it further underscores the seriousness of the situation. At this stage, the driver's resistance is setting the stage for further escalation. From a law enforcement perspective, officers are trained to anticipate potential threats. Resistance or prolonged arguments can indicate that a driver may attempt to flee, conceal evidence, or engage in further non-compliance. Officers must maintain authority while also working to de-escalate situations when possible. Suspended license and citations, the legal ramifications, and due process. The revelation that the driver's license is suspended due to an unpaid traffic citation adds another layer of complexity, significantly altering the trajectory of the encounter. This is a critical turning point because driving with a suspended license is an offense in itself, a serious infraction that carries substantial legal consequences. The driver's claim that she reinstated the license and did not receive proper notification is a common defense, often rooted in genuine misunderstanding. However, law enforcement relies on real-time system data, which is typically accurate and up-to-date, offering a definitive legal record. This highlights a broader issue. Many drivers are unaware of their legal status due to lapses in personal record-keeping or miscommunication from licensing agencies, creating a disconnect between perceived and actual legal standing. The preparation of citations for both excessive speeding and driving with a suspended license underscores the severity of the situation, making it clear that this is no longer a simple traffic stop. The officer explains the court process and emphasizes the importance of appearing in court to address the violations, outlining the steps the driver must take to resolve the matter. This moment serves as a reminder that legal responsibility does not end when a citation is issued. It extends to follow-up actions, compliance with court directives, and ensuring proper documentation, highlighting the ongoing nature of legal obligations. Refusal to sign an arrest. The breakdown of communication. The officer's request for the driver to sign the citations is a standard procedure, designed to document the interaction and ensure the driver is aware of the charges. However, the driver's refusal to do so marks a critical breakdown in communication, setting the stage for the subsequent escalation. This seemingly simple action often becomes a point of contention. Many people mistakenly believe that signing a citation is an admission of guilt, a misconception that fuels unnecessary tension. In reality, it simply acknowledges receipt and a promise to address the matter in court, a crucial distinction that many fail to grasp. Officers are trained to explain this, yet some individuals still resist out of fear, misunderstanding, or defiance, creating a barrier to effective communication. The officer's warning that refusal to sign may result in arrest is a last attempt to secure compliance, a formal notice that the situation is transitioning from a simple traffic stop to a potential legal confrontation. When the driver persists in refusing, the arrest becomes a legal necessity rather than a discretionary action dictated by procedural guidelines.
So again, your signature is as it appears on your driver's license. This is not an admission of guilt. This is simply an acknowledgement that you're aware you're going to receive a court date in the mail.
Like 10 years ago.
So, simply just need your compliance.
Do you want to see my actual signature?
All right, go ahead and turn around. Place your hands behind your back for me.
I am not. Please,
Stay there. Stay there.
Stop.
Stay there.
Stop.
This highlights the consequences of non-compliance and the officer's duty to uphold the law, even when faced with resistance. Analysis of the interaction. Deeper insights. This case provides valuable insights into the complexities of law enforcement interactions. The driver's initial failure to provide a valid license, combined with excessive speed, created a high-risk situation from the outset. The refusal to comply with officer instructions and sign the citations ultimately led to the arrest. This underscores the importance of understanding legal obligations and the potential repercussions of resistance. For officers, de-escalation techniques are crucial, but compliance from drivers is equally important to prevent unnecessary complications. Legal considerations: exploring the legal framework. Driving with a suspended license and excessive speeding are serious offenses with legal consequences, impacting not only the individual involved, but also the broader community. Fines, court appearances, and potential jail time can result from these violations, serving as deterrents and consequences for actions that jeopardize public safety. These penalties are designed to enforce adherence to traffic regulations, which are foundational to maintaining order on roadways. Understanding traffic laws and ensuring compliance is not just about avoiding penalties. It's about ensuring safety for everyone on the road, from pedestrians to fellow drivers. The legal system is designed to protect public welfare, and adherence to these laws is crucial in preventing accidents and minimizing the risks associated with reckless driving. By upholding these standards, we contribute to a safer environment for all. Moreover, consistent enforcement reinforces the principle that laws are in place to protect, not restrict. Conclusion: lessons learned and future considerations. This case serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of responsible driving, legal awareness, and compliance during traffic stops. The escalation from a routine citation to an arrest demonstrates how misunderstandings and resistance can complicate legal matters. By promoting legal literacy and responsible driving behavior, we can work towards safer roads and better interactions between law enforcement and the public. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.